Are you a small or medium business owner running your store on Shopify? Are you looking for ways to stand out, boost sales, and create a truly unique experience for your customers? If so, you're in the right place. Today, let's talk about a powerful but often overlooked Shopify feature that can transform your store: Shopify Metafields. What are Shopify Metafields? Shopify Metafields are custom fields that let you store and display additional information about your products, collections, customers, and more, going far beyond Shopify's default options. Think of Metafields as your secret weapon for adding the exact details your business and your customers need. For example, let's say you sell candles. With Metafields, you can display burn time, scent notes, or care instructions right on your product page. If you're in fashion, you can show fabric details, washing instructions, or even a style guide. The possibilities are endless, and they're all tailored to your business. Why should you care about Metafields? Here's the truth. In today's crowded e-commerce world, customers expect more than just a product photo and a price. They want details, they want confidence, they want to know they're buying from a brand that understands their needs. Metafields let you 1. Enhance product pages with rich, relevant information. 2. Display unique selling points that set you apart from competitors. 3. Improve SEO by adding keyword-rich, structured data. 4. Streamline your operations by storing internal notes, part numbers, or supplier details. And best of all, you can manage all of this directly from your Shopify admin. No coding required. How can small and medium businesses use Metafields to grow? If you're a small or medium business, you know how important it is to connect with your audience and build trust. Metafields help you do just that by allowing you to 1. Personalize your store for different customer segments. 2. Highlight special features or promotions for specific products. 3. Showcase customer reviews, FAQs, or downloadable guides right where shoppers need them. 4. Automate workflows by using Metafields as triggers for email marketing, loyalty programs, and more. Imagine a customer lands on your product page and sees not just a generic description, but a detailed breakdown of what makes your product perfect for them. That's the kind of experience that turns visitors into loyal customers. But here's the challenge. Setting up Metafields can be confusing if you're new to Shopify, and making them work seamlessly with your theme takes expertise. That's where MAQ Computer Services comes in. At MAQ Computer Services, we specialize in helping Shopify store owners like you unlock the full potential of Metafields and other advanced Shopify features. Whether you need a custom Metafields setup, integration with your marketing tools, or a complete Shopify store overhaul, our team is here to help. We are Shopify's official development partners in UAE. Why choose us? Expertise. We know Shopify inside and out, and we stay ahead of the curve on the latest features and best practices. Personalized service. We take the time to understand your business, your products, and your goals, so every solution is tailored to you. Proven results. Our clients see higher conversion rates, better customer engagement, and more repeat business. Don't just take our word for it. See the difference for yourself. Ready to transform your Shopify store? If you're ready to take your Shopify store to the next level, let's connect. Visit maquae.com today and schedule a consultation. Your next big e-commerce breakthrough is just a click away, and let's build something amazing together. Thank you for watching this video.